Traditional Irish music played by New Yorkers in Derry, the Fleadh Cheáil has international appeal.
We've come to Derry because my two boys qualified for the All-Irelands, Jake on fiddle and bodhrán and Dylan on banjo.
Despite the showers, Guildhall Square was busy with all sorts of buskers to be heard. In the Fleadh office, volunteers were busy sorting accommodation for many visitors.
You can feel the buzz, you can hear the buzz. We're having an absolutely fantastic time and it's only the first day.
Sligo, hosts of next year's Fleadh, have been keeping a close eye on preparations in Derry.
Seeing all the effort that has been put in here in Derry, it's really going to hold it up to us to try and match what they've managed to produce.
In the Fleadh shop, workers say they can't keep up with demand for their merchandise.
The city has really embraced the Fleadh. They're looking forward to it, they've done a huge amount of work for it.
These musicians will be kept busy during the Fleadh, booked to play up to 3 sessions a day. The tunes and songs will carry on here in Derry, rain or shine, until Sunday night, when the Fleadh will come to a close with a large event in Ebrington Square. Enniny Reshlan, RTE News in Derry.